So the new version of CherishOS version 4.5 is here with the latest February security patch. Which are the things included in this version? I'll talk about some of the things in this video, so stay tuned and make sure to watch this video till the end. In this channel you have a lot of custom reviews, which how the changelog is, which are the new things included, what are the same things, everything we talk about. So make sure to subscribe the channel for all the new custom ROM based videos. Moving on to the default launcher settings, by the way, it is giving you default Pixel launcher. It's not Pixel launcher extended, it is not any other launcher, it is Pixel launcher but to get pre-installed in Cherish OS. So if you need Pixel kind of feelings, this is what we have. This version includes some cool new lock screen clock fonts option, which is of course not a new thing. It's available in many other custom ROMs too, but my work is to show you that which are the things included in this custom ROM. Some lock screen clocks are just not looking good at all, but some are actually looking super good, and I think so this is good one too, which is this. If I move on to one more one, actually to be very honest, the simple clock fonts are not so bad. We have a lot of extra options available, but if you want to use, I think so default one is just looking so good. You can use that, or maybe this one is also looking good one too. So simple fonts are actually looking good. This is about lock screen clock fonts customizations. Second one, the major change is about the quick settings theming. If you already used CherishOS, I made a video yesterday on CherishOS, so if you haven't checked it out yet, you can go and check it out. CherishOS also giving you the same theming options in quick settings panel, and also Cherish OS is giving you same. What this is, if you have ever used Iconify or if you have used Project Themer, they are giving you some quick setting theming options, but for that you need to root your device. But by default you can get that if you use Cherish OS custom ROM. These quick settings panel customizations are quite good. CherishOS is giving you maybe more than that, but Cherish OS is also giving you a lot, and these themes are super good. If you are into customizations, you can definitely give it a try. Also, in the terms of gesture navigation, we have the option to customize this. The option which is named as space under the keyboard is one of my favorite features, where you can hide the IME button space, and this is included finally in CherishOS latest version. As far as I know, it was available previously too, but I don't know, I just found it, so I'm here. And one more thing is, if in the terms of theming options, we have the option for custom color picker. So if you're bored with the default monet theming, the wallpaper based theming, and you don't want to use Repainter or any other rooted Android app, then you have the option for this. And it also have the option to choose the vivid color. So this is good. If you use dark mode, you will definitely love this thing. Also, if you have an AMOLED device, this is a very useful thing for you in the terms of theming and colors. Other options are just basically same, like we have the Wi-Fi icon style, all the status bar icons customization, icon back options, where PUI, archers, every useful thing is present, and you can even customize the fonts if you want to in the terms of customizations or fonts or other options. Cherish OS is bringing you a lot of options, so you will never get bored. A lot of customizations are included, but one of my favorite feature after using Cherish OS is this UI style. We have many UI style options available. Unfortunately, this option is not one of the options available in every custom. A lot of customs are just cherry picking features from here, but actually this custom, which is bringing you this UI style options, it's not available in every custom. It's available in some, but not every. Like Evolution XOS is not giving you these options. CherishOS OS, which is actually one of the most customizable customs, is also not giving you this feature. And this is one of the reasons why I always use Cherish OS. If I use Cherish OS, not every time, but whenever I use Cherish OS, I use this for these kind of theming options. But things are basically same in the terms of theming and UI. A lot of things are available already in Cherish OS. This is not a bad choice. You can try out Cherish OS on your device for sure. Other options, settings, UI customizations. In the terms of customizations, in the terms of theming, we have many options available. You can go and check it out. The things which I just wanted to let you know, I have already shared with you. This is about Cherish OS custom ROM, which is available for a lot of devices. So if your device officially supports this, you can go and check it out. The link is already available in the description. Other privacy options like app lock, ignore Windows secure flags are also there. Some notification customizations are also present, which you may expect in these kind of custom ROMs for sure. In-call vibration options, power menu customizations, and else. So these were the things I just want to let you know. Make sure to subscribe the channel, make sure to like and share this video, and I will see you in the next one. Until then, goodbye, and this is it.